Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on how to round up the values in Excel. In today's video you will learn how to round up the values and difference between roundup and decreased decimal values. There are basically two different methods people use to round up the values. Now we have a value of pi here and I would like to round this value up to two decimal figures. The first method most people use decrease the decimal points of the value. Now if I press this button 3 times, it will show the roundup value up to 3.15. The second method is to use the roundup function. For that I will enter equal sign, then type roundup, roundup, select the value, enter the digits after the decimal points I would like to have, like here for 2, close the bracket and press enter. Now these two values might look like same, but these are totally different values. If I use, let's say, if I multiply this value with 5000 and this one with also with 5000, you can see these two results are totally different. That is because for the first method we have used to decrease the decimal point, it is just showing the value up to 2 decimal points, but the underlying value is same. And in the roundup function, it is rounded up to the 2 decimal points. So this is 3.145927 and this one counts as 3.15. So that's all for today. Thank you.